Now we are doing maths. In maths, we are doing chapter number 3, subtraction. In last period, we had seen that subtraction with zeros and ones. With the numbers of 0 and 1, how can we do subtraction? That we had seen in the last period. And we had completed exercise 3C. Now we are going to do checking subtraction with addition, page number 59. Now here Jayanti has a very clever way of checking her subtraction. Jayanti बहुत अच्छे से अपना subtraction check करती है. How she is doing? She uses addition. और वो अपना subtraction check करने के लिए addition करके वो check करती है. तो कैसे करना है? She puts back the number she took away to see if she gets the number she started with. मतलब कि जो नंबर दिए होते हैं जिसमें से वो माइनस नंबर करते हैं, तो जो नंबर दिए हुए हैं पहले उसी नंबर को वो whatever the numbers are given, जैसे कि मैं ये एग्जांपल से ही आपको समझाती हूँ. 724 minus 412. So this is the number for subtraction. This is the sum for subtraction. Now here if we are doing subtraction, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. And 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. So this is the answer. Now if we want to check the answer whether it is correct or not, so whatever the answer comes, 312, that we have to write first 312. Here it is written minus 412. That number only we will add in that answer. Means in 312 we will add 412. So the answer will be, and whatever the answer comes, that is the number given before in the first sum. So both are same, it means our calculation is correct. Same here, second example is given. First of all, we will do subtraction here, and afterward whatever the answer is there, that we will write first. Afterward the number that we are doing subtract here, we will write here the same number, but we will add that number. So the answer will be same, 272. These are the same. So write the two numbers, means these star numbers are the same. So when the two numbers are the same, she knows that her subtraction is correct. मतलब सबसे पहले जो नंबर दिया होता है वो subtraction और उसके बाद addition करने के बाद जो नंबर आता है, ये दोनों नंबर सेम होते हैं, तो जिससे पता चलता है कि तुम्हारा जो सब्ट्रैक्शन का कैलकुलेशन है वो सही है. नाउ हियर वी विल सी एक्सरसाइज 3D. दिस इज शनै's टेस्ट पेपर. Check his subtraction using addition. Give him a smiley for every correct answer, and if wrong answer is there, then you have to draw this type of face. Okay. So how will we check? We have to check it first. First one is done here. 279 minus 123. So 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this is the answer for subtraction. Now it is correct or not? For that we will write these answer here. So here it is written 156. This second numbers whatever is written, that we have to write as it is here, but we will put the sign for addition. So now we will check it. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So here we can see that both the numbers are same. We have to check these both numbers. There should be equal. It means our subtraction that we have done, that is correct. The same thing that you have to do here. Here first of all we will subtract this 4 minus 9 that we can't do. So we will do 4 minus 9 we can't do. So we will cut here and we will write here 3. And what will we write here? Do you know? Here we have to write 9. Here we will write 9 because from 0 we can't borrow anything, and here we will write 7. Okay, and here what will we write? Here we will write 14. All of you write these number very properly, very neatly. Don't write like me. And now we will calculate 14 minus 9 is equals to, what will be the answer? Is equals to 5. Okay, then 9 minus 3 is equals to 6, and 7 minus 2 is equals to 4. 7 minus 2 is equal to 4. Is it correct? No. So here she had written correct answer. So if we will write here, see now in this sum, if this calculation is given, then we don't have to do subtraction here. So what will we do? What we have to do? We have to simply write the number here. We will not do any calculation here, but we will do here sum 465, and the same number whatever is written here, 2, 3 and 9. Okay, so now we have to add these both number. What will be the answer? 9 plus 5 is equals to 14. We will write here 4. We will carry one number. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 3 10. Here we will write 0, and here we will write 1. Okay, so now 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. Okay, so here answer is given 804, and the answer comes 704. So that is wrong. So he had done the sum wrong. So you have to draw this smiley here. Okay, here you have to draw this smiley, that because it is wrong. Okay, same way you have to do rest of the sums. These 4 sums, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sums you have to do. You don't have to do any calculation here, and here also you have to write the number here, and afterwards you have to do it. Okay, so now you can try it, you can do it by yourself. Now find the covered digit. अब हमें यहाँ पे covered digit ढूंढने हैं. कैसे ढूंढेंगे वो आपको देखना है. जैसे कि ये माइनस की करके ये जो नंबर दिए हैं और नीचे आंसर दिया है. So what will be the number here? So 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. We can write here 6. Then the answer is 6. Then what will be here? 0 and minus 3 is equal to 4. So it might be 7. Like this you have to do second one also. This one is 0 only. ये पूरा 0 है. Okay. Now you can do this. You can do it by yourself. Now we will go to the next page. Here is the subtracting bigger numbers. Now we will do subtraction with bigger numbers. जैसे कि हम 3 डिजिट के सब्ट्रैक्शन करते थे उसी तरह ये है 4 डिजिट के नंबर. It is little bit lengthy but it is easy only, so you can do it by yourself. One example is here. I am showing you a website of maths games was visited by 3,384 children in the month of May. It was found that 1,243 of these were boys. How many girls? So see here the number is given of total children is here and number of boys are here and we have to find the number of girls. So we will write the bigger number first and afterward smaller number and we will do minus. As we are doing 3 digit numbers subtraction, we have to do like that only. We will start from the ones place. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Then afterward second we will do subtract the tens. Then 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Then we will do subtract the hundreds. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. And at the last we will subtract the hundreds. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So like this the answer will be 2141 girls were visited the website. It is also very easy. Only 4 digits are there that you have to do very slowly. Do the calculation and do all the sums with full concentration. ध्यान से सब sums करना है. वो easy है. सिर्फ 4 नंबर दिए हैं वो ही है. जैसे हम 3 नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं उसी तरह ये 4 नंबर का सब्ट्रैक्शन है. तो वो आपको करना है. Here is the exercise question number exercise 3rd E that is given. Subtract question number 1 you have to do in the textbook and question number 2 that is you have to do in your notebook. You have to remember this question that you have to do in your notebook. ये जो question है वो आपको notebook में करना है. Understood? So I am taking only this one topic only, subtracting bigger number, because in this so many sums are there that you have to do. So you can complete it within 2 days. 2 दिन में आप ये कर सकते हो. एक दिन ये टेक्स्ट बुक में कर लेना क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और दूसरे दिन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है वो सब्ट्रैक्शन नोटबुक में कर लेना. ठीक है, ताकि आपको दोनों दिन मैथ्स की थोड़ी थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. ओके, क्योंकि कल हमारा मैथ्स का पीरियड नहीं होगा इसलिए आपको ये सम्स करने के लिए 2 दिन मिलेंगे. तो आप लोग ये 2 दिन में ये प्रैक्टिस कंप्लीट कर लेना. ठीक है, और ये रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे तो ही आपको मैथ्स की जो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन जो करते हो उसमें स्पीड आएगी और जल्दी भी कर पाओगे. ओके, and do all the work, try to do by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.